How are you, Mike? Hi. Do you have the time? Excuse me, could you tell me what time it is? Mike says, no, my friend, I have no an o'clock. And he said again, why you are asking me? Rather than asking me, why you are going to run to create your own clock? What are you thinking, Mike? How? It doesn't matter. Today I will show you exactly how you can create your own digital clock using Python programming language. Isn't it? Are you sure, Mike? Yeah. Thank you, Mike. I am very glad. What's up, everyone? Welcome. Today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own digital clock using Python programming language, just like this. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. Enjoy! This is the first Python project that you need to practice. You can make a lot of time-related projects in Python, just like a digital clock, a countdown timer, an alarm clock, and stopwatch. Now, in this video, let's make a digital clock using Python and Tkinter. You know, Tkinter is mainly used for graphical user interface in Python project. Before jump into the code, you have to do some setup for the project. Okay, the first things first, open up your IDE. You can use any IDE as you want. You can use either VS Code or PyCharm, but for me, I'm going to use Python Interactive Shell. So here we have a Python interactive shell. From here, step 1 is save the file with having .py extension. And then import the module. In this case, we are going to use two modules right here, the time module and the Tkinter module right here. So first, from Tkinter, import all the packages right here, and then from time module we are going to import strftime function right here. Strftime function right here. Why we are going to use this time function? Since we are going to use a system time right here. Here we have my computer system time right here. Here we have my computer system time right here. So we are going to import this system time strftime function right here. So we are going to import it from time module, and then we are going to declare an object right here. Let me say app. From here, app equals to tk. This tk is a class which is found inside a Tkinter class module, right? So having this, now let me add the project title. So to add the project title, we are going to use app.title and then close this parenthesis right here, and then inside this parenthesis we are going to use a single quote or double quote, and then now over here add the project title right here. For me, I'm going to, let me say, digital clock. Having this, now let me add some widget to this time. So in order to add widget, we are going to use a label right here, a label class right here. So let me say LBL equals to label. You can use any name as you want. For me, let me say LBL equals to label, and then app inside the parentheses app. Then let me say the font for this clock, Arial 100, the font size 100 and bold, and then again background. Let me say the background will be green. After that the background, and then the font color, which is in this case the font color is assigned by foreground. The foreground, let me say aqua. Now what we are going to do is to pack this label element right here, lbl.pack, and then main loop right here. So having this, when we run this program, you see, here we have, right? Okay, having this, now let me create a function over here, def time. Here we have a time function, and then let me write a block of code right here, str. Now we are going to use this time function right here, strf time, and then here we have the hour, and here we have the minute, and then here we have the second. After that, close this, and then now using this LBL, and then config text equals to str, right? And again LBL after over here. What we are going to do is 1000, and then function name right here. So having this, now let me invoke the function right here. Here we have a time, here we have the name of the function, time, right here. So now when I run this program, you see, this is the time, the minute, and the hour. This is the second. Over here, as you see here, here we have the system time. So over here we are going to add %p in order to show the time in past meridian or anti-meridian right here. So when I save and refresh again and run again, when I run this program, you see here we have the time right here. Okay, as you see here, here is the system time, and here is the time that we have just programmed. So in order to overcome this program, we have to replace the hour by I. So after that, we will have 12 hour right here. So when I save and refresh, here is it. You see, here is the system time right here, and here is the time that we have just created. So both of them have the same hour, the same minute, and the same second right here. What cool is that, right? Okay, this is today's video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be notified when I come out a daily programming training video just like this one. With that being said, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. So until then, bye for now.